channel. So for today's video we are finally going to be doing my Christmas tree. I found it in the shed and I went and picked up a load of new decorations, and can you guess? Today's video is going to be decorate my Christmas tree and decorate my bedroom with me, because you know it's 2 days until we reach December and I just can't wait anymore. I can't hold it in. So we are going to get started. I showed you all of my decorations in the last video, which I will link down below. Hopefully that goes up before this one does. And yeah, we're going to get started. My tree is actually from Sainsbury's. I got it last year, but you can definitely go and get new ones in this year. All of my decorations are brand new apart from the purple ones and some of the silver ones, but I'm guessing you can find them on Amazon or Asda, just anywhere really. So before we get started, do remember to go and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely go and get yourself a hot drink, preferably hot chocolate, which is my favourite, in your Christmas mug to make it extra Christmassy. I've got my log fire going on in the background, and this video is literally just going to be a chilled out video with music going throughout the whole thing. And yeah, we're just going to get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! I feel like... Hello tiny spider! I want to kill you. Die! He's on my floor, he's on my floor. He's dead. I feel like I'm going to find a lot more though, to be honest. So scared to pull this out because I don't know what's going to come out with it. Are there any spiders in there? I don't know. I hope. The F not. Right. How do we do this again? There we go. I feel like I should have Christmas music on. What do you think? Should I play my Christmas music? Then I have to find my phone. And I feel like ow! The easiest Christmas tree. Oh, wait a minute. I'm missing something, am I? Am I? I think I'm missing part of my Christmas tree. Or is it actually? I think it's inside. I think the other bit attached is inside. So what is this bit hanging down? Yes, it is. Oh. Okay, anywho, let's do this bit first.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing.
Transfer presents because I go to my dad's on Boxing Day, and then we change every year, so I thought that'd be good. So I'm just going to delve in. There is a lot of stuff in here, and I don't know how long we will be in here for, but we're going to be in here. So the first thing that I picked up was this glitter. It says glitter spray, but I would say it's a glitter leaf. And this I'm actually going to cut down to size and stick it into my fake flowers that I actually got from Primark over there, just to give it that more Christmassy feel.